Good morning, everyone. My name is Akash, and this is Know Your Bicycle. So today we are at Mysore Cafe, and looking at the fact that there is a standee over here which talks about experiential Himalaya e-bike tours, which is about to happen in Tawang, Bamlangla, basically in Arunachal Pradesh, and that's gonna be a 10-day affair. Whosoever is wanting to go ahead with one of these tours, that's a totally electric bike adventure. And if you talk about electric bikes, then I'll just take your focus to electric bike brand, which is e-Motorrad. They have at least 7-8 models, and talking to the people who are actually organizing such events. So, Mr. Som, hi, how are you?
Hi Akash, after a long time catching up.
Long time catching up. Good to see you. Good to see you, and good to see you a standee over here at Mysore Cafe. Whosoever who doesn't know, Mysore Cafe is a wonderful place to be. Coffee is amazing, and very amazing South Indian delicacies also.
And this fraternity, the cycling fraternity.
No doubts about it. You would always see cyclists around because it's a very cycling friendly outlet, I would say.
Absolutely. So it's a big catalyst, to bring us together.
And that's why we also met each other. How?
So yes, this time again we have come back with a new adventure, and again it's a offer to not just a normal adventure, it's for whole family.
So what is it all about? Like the e-bike tour happening in Tawang?
So, people know us already. We have done quite a few or many adventures in Ladakh and Kashmir, Gurez last year, but this year we prefer, the Tawang. Starting with Tawang, of course, Arunachal Pradesh, and then we'll be back to again Kashmir and Ladakh. So why Tawang? News, that अरे वो क्या हो रहा है या China ये Tawang. But besides that, the Tawang offers so much. One is the culture. If you talk about Monpa tribes, that's a wonderful place to see. Beautiful landscape, and on the top of it, that our Prime Minister just has inaugurated the tunnel, which is world's longest bi-lane tunnel, Sela Pass.
Oh, okay.
So why not to be a first one? So that's why we thought
that too on an electric bike.
Yeah, absolutely, and that too with the e-Motorrad. We are with the e-Motorrad right from beginning, and these machines are perfect for our adventures. Good battery and yes, endurance, and it's a mix of everything. So yes, we will start from Nameri. Nameri is known for its national park. It has wonderful bird life, and then we'll move up. As we'll move up, things will change. Yes, beautiful pristine river, Kamin River, and then Dirang, and it's a as you know that it's not just going point A to point Z. It's more about experiencing new culture, and in that way we can appreciate our own country much bigger way, much better way. So that is the whole idea, and as I said, it's not just for endurance. It's open to the family. I invite the father son, father daughter, or mother, all whole family can participate in same time. And there is also enough support system would be in place. So safety is our first priority. So yes, let's. I'm looking forward to see you.
So people who are very new to the video and they are not even aware of why exactly you chose an electric bike over an ordinary bike for such an expedition.
Yes. Till now, whenever we thought about a big adventure, so we always think about at a certain age group,
okay,
or certain fitness we are looking at.
Okay,
but with the advent of this battery bike, and which e-Motorrad has a fantastic series, different choices are there. So with that, even people are in a little higher age group, and also people have a little less fitness, endurance, so people can actually take up these adventures.
Okay.
And once you are with the family, once you have, we are going to the 15,000 feet.
Yeah, man.
Not a joke.
15,000 feet.
15,000 feet, the Bumla Pass. And if you are there, of course, you'll be very happy with that. But if you are some other family member with you, this must be multiple, give you the multiple types of happiness. So that's the whole idea, that it's a family adventure, and then enjoy a different part of the country, different culture. It's a wholesome program, you know.
Kindly take us through some of these moments. What all locations are these, and
Yeah, so-
what are the achievements you've?
So you can see that,
Right.
you know, the kind of, Tanglangla, it says that 17,582
Wow,
feet.
wow.
And you can see that how cold is this, you know. We have to have a proper woolen and everything. And then, of course, this is a Warila Pass,
right.
one of the most beautiful pass. Going to Nubra in a different section. This is Manipur.
Oh, wow.
Near Lokta, Andhro. Actually, Andhro village. Not many people know
Okay.
about that village.
Okay.
This is a Shokar plain in Ladakh.
Okay.
It's a beautiful landscape.
That has to be Pangong, I
yeah,
believe.
this is Pangong. Everybody knows
Wow.
that. So this kind of, we are, do that lunches, picnic.
What
lunch kind of
location is
things.
that?
Just after the Warila Pass,
Okay.
towards the Nubra. And this is, you see that lady with a local attire. She's actually our cyclist. She's
Okay.
from Goa, and we were in a local village.
Okay.
Dining with this local.
And how about this one?
This one is a wonderful, not many places go there. On the way to Panamek in Nubra, this is a sacred lake, So that's the where we were there. So amazing,
So I think you had a fair share experience of many higher altitude places, and these bikes have worked wonders. Any achievements so far of your own, like that I could able to achieve that with such adventure packs?
Highest pass these days are 19,000 feet from the sea level, Umling Pass, and that we have done it.
Wow.
So that's a kind of a great.
You've done
sense of achievement.
Umlingla,
Umlingla, yeah.
the higher than
Yeah.
Khardungla.
Yes, higher than the Khardungla. This is in extreme, east of Ladakh, bordering to Tibet, China, of course. So that was, the great thing. And I do not just see that as a height, but also that so much things to offer. That's a beautiful Hanle, So that trip was really, really memorable. And now we are doing Gurays and all this. So that way.
So last thing, what would be the really eye-catchy moments which is gonna be a part of Tawang experience?
Yeah. So if I tell you that Tawang, one is of course that I think we will be the first one to
Go through that long tunnel?
Long tunnel.
What,
that
number
is
one?
Number two is a Bumla Pass.
Bumla.
Where you actually see the China Tibet.
Okay.
Tibet China.
Okay.
Right there. And Tawang. Tawang itself a very, very wonderful place. And, so I think it's.
I heard there is a breed of red pandas over there.
Red pandas, yes, there. Of course, the habitat we will be going through, but you know that they are very, very endangered.
Very endangered,
So,
yes.
but we will learn about this. There are so many things to learn and discovery. So it would be a full of learning and discovery trip. So as always, our focus is not just going to one place, but through learning and discovery to appreciate
Wow.
the diversity of our own country.
Wow.
So that is what is the whole idea.
Alright. So cutting short, now guys, this is Experiential Himalaya, and this is the WhatsApp number. You can take a screenshot or you can just call them up, ask them about the package. First electric bicycle expedition to happen in Tawang and Bumlamla Pass, 75,000 rupees per person, starting from Guwahati to Guwahati. Like starting from Guwahati, you will go for 10 days expedition, it's on electric bikes, and come back to Guwahati safe and sound. So Mr. Som is the person to talk to. The number is right given there, and feel free to connect with him. He's a very humble and very genuine and very, very good to talk to person. He will talk you through a lot of his experiences he had, through so many memories you can see on the standee right away. So go ahead, live your life to the fullest, and that too on a bike without any problems, peaceful in nature, not making bup sounds. So basically it's like a very peaceful area out there. We really don't want to exploit it by motorized vehicles. Cycle is the best medium to go through, and plus with some another like-minded and e-bike minded people coming along. So this journey will definitely be a very historic event for your life. It'll be saved in that memory form and in videos and whatsoever you call it, but it'll be a one of a lifetime event.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So go ahead, connect with him and let me know your thoughts about it in this comment section below. Thank you.